Alright people, what's happening? Big Ed here. Just got back from a ride on the Shovelhead. But real quick, I wanted to say I forgot something else I'm going to have to do is on this here Ironhead is got the 6/over Springer front end. But now I'm going to have to lengthen, if I run this Springer, I'm going to have to lengthen that kickstand. Wasn't even thinking about that before. Because if I leave it like that, it's going to have a real bad lean. Like it's going to be pretty bad lean. So there's a lot of stuff you got to think about when you trying to build a little chopper. It's been a learning curve for me. I'd probably be done with it if I was able to weld, but and didn't have heart issues. But back to the Shovelhead. All right, so I just rode this dirty girl up to the store, and been hearing a noise up front. I'm kind of narrowing it down. I think it's coming from that rotor right there, that brake rotor. It's either the brake or the rotor. I don't know if y'all be able to hear it whenever I back it up, but with the motor off, it'll, and when it's running, when I'm riding down the road, let's see. So it's definitely rubbing. I don't know if y'all were able to hear that or not, but it's got a spot where it's rubbing. So I'm thinking that it only sounds like it's coming from this side though. But I thought the rotor would be hot. It's not even hot. And I just got back. So something's going on, or else the old speedometer gear drive right there might be messed up. I'm gonna have to jack it up tomorrow and check the wheel bearings and what have you. Hey, I'll take a warped rotor over a messed up motor. My shifting has gotten a little bit better. I still need to make one. I'm going to make another adjustment tomorrow. I want to make this a little bit tighter. Got to get a nickel, and they say put a nickel in there, and that it just needs to be just a hair tighter. But anyways, video's getting long, life's getting short. Peace out.